Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you about another common mistake we make in English, which is using its instead of its. Now this can seem confusing because both are homophones and are pronounced as its. Now let's see the usage. Is this correct? Wow, it's a pretty hat. No, this is incorrect. So what did she mean to say? Wow, it is a pretty hat. She can also say, wow, it's a pretty hat. As you can see, its is a contraction of the two words it is or it has. Now let's see when to use its or its. It shows that something belongs to it or is related to it. Let's take a few examples. The dog played with its puppies. It shows that the puppies belong to the dog. The table has lost its shine. Here, the shine of the table is lost. Its is a contraction of the two words it is or it has. I don't know if it's good or bad. You can expand it to I don't know if it is good or bad. It is my bag. Now let's see when to use its. Its can be replaced by it is or it has. It's a black cat. You can expand this to it is a black cat. Yes, it's our farm. This can be expanded to yes, it is our farm. It's been a long day. You can expand this to it has been a long day. Now let's take another hint. Its can be replaced by his or her. Its is the possessive form of it. Let's see a few examples. The dog was wagging its tail. You can replace this with the dog was wagging his tail. The bird flew to its nest. This can be replaced by the bird flew to her nest. Remember that its cannot be replaced by it is or it has. The butterfly damaged its wing. You cannot say the butterfly damaged its wing. Hence why you cannot use the butterfly damaged its wing. The box and its contents were gone. You cannot say the box and its contents were gone. So, you cannot use the box and its contents were gone. Now that you have learned when to use its or its, let's take a short quiz. Is this correct? It's been a great year for the students. No, this is incorrect because the possessive form of its has been used and it's supposed to be it has been a great year for the students. Is this correct? It's raining now. Yes, this is correct because you can expand it to it is raining now. The cat is there. I can see its eyes. Yes, it's correct because the eyes belong to the cat. It's amazing to see a peacock dance. No, this is incorrect because the possessive form of it has been used and it's supposed to be it is amazing to see a peacock dance. The horse hurt its leg. No, this is incorrect because it's supposed to be the possessive form of its to show that the leg belonged to the horse. The dog played with its master. Yes, this is correct because the dog belongs to the master. Always remember, when the word is a contraction of it is or it has, the correct choice is its. Otherwise, the correct choice is its. Thank you for watching.